In Florida, George Zimmerman is out on bail for a second time. Zimmerman is the neighborhood watch volunteer charged with the murder in the shooting death of 17-year-old Trayvon Martin. And as Mark Strassmann reports, this time his freedom comes with some very strict conditions.
George Zimmerman was released after 5 weeks inside Seminole County's jail. His home, after his original bond and freedom, were revoked by Judge Kenneth Lester.
He's no different than anybody else.
The judge was and is angry Zimmerman and his wife misled him about being broke, when in fact they had $155,000 sitting in an online defense fund. Mark O'Mara, Zimmerman's lawyer, agreed his client was at fault.
He should have jumped up and said she's lying. Didn't tell you about the 100.
I don't think I expect that. I expect a tug on the sleeve.
Well, even a tug on the sleeve. I agree. He should have done something. Absolutely. And he didn't.
Lester increased Zimmerman's bail to $1 million this time. In his 9-page order, the judge wrote, "By any definition, the defendant has flouted the system. It appears to this court that the defendant is manipulating the system for his own benefit." On Zimmerman's behalf, O'Mara has asked the public for donations, saying on a website, "For those who feel this case is an affront to their constitutional rights, now is the time to show your support." Since Thursday, O'Mara claimed they have raised another $20,000. In New Orleans, Trayvon Martin's parents were outraged Zimmerman is free again.
And just to know that the killer of my son may walk free sometime one day, it really hurts.
This time, Zimmerman will have to go into hiding locally in Seminole County. Judge Lester won't let him go anywhere else or have a bank account. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Mark Strassmann in Atlanta.